Hello students, welcome back to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video, we shall take trigonometric functions and quadrantal angles and their values. Trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions. Consider a circle. Consider a circle with the center O, with the center O at the origin of coordinate axis and with unit radius. Unit radius. Let us draw a circle. These are coordinate axes, mutually perpendicular, intersecting at O, which is the origin. Now let us draw a circle with O as origin, and this is point A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Let PAB is any point on this unit circle. On this unit circle, there is a point PAB. PAB. This. Therefore, OA is equal to OP is equal to 1. Why? Because it's a unit radius. Let angle AOP is x radian. Let angle AOP is x radians. X radians. This. It is x. Therefore, the length of arc AP is x. This length is x. Therefore, length of arc AP is x. Draw PM perpendicular to OX. PM perpendicular to OX. So therefore, OM is A and PM is B. Therefore, OM is A, PM is B. So we define cos x is equal to OM over OP base over hypotenuse. OM is A, OP is 1, it is A. Sin x is PM over OP, it is B over 1, which is B. So we have defined, therefore, cos x is A, sin x is B. In right triangle OMP, OMP, in right triangle OMP, OP square is equal to OM square plus MP square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. So we put their values. So this 1 is equal to A square plus B square. Therefore, for any point PAB on the circle, PAB on the circle, A square plus B square is equal to 1, which implies cos square x plus sin square x is 1. Since one complete revolution, since one complete revolution subtends an angle of 2 pi radians, subtend an angle of 2 pi radians at the center O, therefore angle AOB is pi by 2, angle AOB. Angle AOC is pi, angle AOD is 3 pi by 2. Then we take quadrantal angles. Quadrantal angles. Angles. What are quadrantal angles? All angles integral multiples of pi by 2 are called quadrantal angles. Quadrantal angles. Now, since OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD is equal to 1, therefore coordinates of A is 1 0, B is 0 1 0 1, C is -1 0, D is 0 -1. This is -1 0, this is 0 -1. Now we find the values for angles. For quadrantal angles. We find out their values. For theta is equal to 0 radians. When theta is 0, theta means x, here x. When x is 0, then theta means angle is x is 0, then the terminal side coincide with OX, therefore A is 1, B is 0. Now we have cos x is A, sin x is B. That means cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. Tan 0 is sin 0 over cos 0, which is 0 over 1 is 0. And reciprocal of tan 0 is not defined because it is infinity. Cot 0 is not defined. Similarly, secant 0 is reciprocal of 1 over this cos, which is 1 over 1, which is 1. And cosecant is reciprocal of sin 0, which is not defined. Cosecant 0 is not defined. Then this is for this. After that, we take for x is equal to pi by 2. You know angle AOB is pi by 2. For x is equal to pi by 2, the terminal side coincide with OB. Coincides with OB. Since B is 0, 1, therefore A is 0, B is 1. Now, since cos x is A, sin x is B, therefore cos pi by 2 is 0. Why? Because A is 0. Sin pi by 2 is 1 because B is 1. And tan pi by 2 is sin pi by 2 by cos pi by 2, which is 1 over 0, not defined. And reciprocal of not defined is 0. Cot pi by 2 is 1 over tan pi by 2, it is 0. Secant pi by 2 not defined because it is reciprocal of cos pi by 2, which is 0. Secant pi by 2 is not defined. Cosecant pi by 2 is 1 over sin pi by 2, which is 1 over 1, 1. The next quadrant angle we can take for x is equal to pi. For x is equal to pi, this angle AOC. The terminal side of the angle coincide with OX dash. Since C is minus 1, 0, therefore A is minus 1, B is 0. Now since cos x is A, sin x is B, so we put their values. Cos pi is -1, sin pi is 0. Tan pi is sin pi over cos pi, which is 0 over -1 is 0. Cot pi not defined because it is reciprocal of tan pi is not defined. Secant pi is 1 over cos pi, 1 over -1 is -1. Cosecant pi is not defined. Then next, when for x is 3 pi by 2, for x 3 pi by 2, for case when x is 3 pi by 2, then the terminal side coincides with OY dash, OY dash, this angle AOD, it is 3 pi by 2. Since D is 0 minus 1, so A0B is -1. Since cos x is A, sin x is B, this we have already defined. So cos 3 pi by 2 is 0, sin 3 pi by 2 is -1. Tan 3 pi by 2 is not defined. Why? Because it is -1 over 0. Cot 3 pi by 2 is 0, it is reciprocal of tan 3 pi by 2. Secant 3 pi by 2 is not defined because it is reciprocal of cos 3 pi by 2. Cosecant 3 pi by 2 is 1 over sin 3 pi by 2, which is 1 over -1, it is -1. Then the last of all we take when x is 2 pi, when x is 2 pi. When x is 2 pi. Here the terminal sides, because it completes one revolution, it coincides with OA. OA. Since A is 1, 0, therefore small a is 1, B is 0. Now since cos x is A, sin x is B, therefore cos 2 pi is 1, sin 2 pi is 0, tan 2 pi is cos 2 pi, sorry, sin 2 pi over cos 2 pi, which is 0 over 1 is 0. Cot 2 pi is not defined. Is not defined because it is reciprocal of tan 2 pi, which is 0. Secant 2 pi is 1 over cos 2 pi, which is 1 over 1, 1. Cosecant 2 pi is equal to 1 over sin 2 pi, which is 1 over 0, not defined. Not defined. So this is what about the values of quadrant angles at 0, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. That's all. In the next video, we shall take the trigonometric ratios of allied angles. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone to see more important videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.